Hey guys, my name is Galina and I live in a small village. In today's video, I'm heading out to the forest to take a walk, collect some fresh pine cones for making jam, maybe find some mushrooms and just relax. It was really hot outside, so I got ready pretty quickly, threw on a dress and drove my bike to the forest. I absolutely love being in the woods, and today I also needed to collect some pine cones. Honestly, this is my first time ever making pinecone jam, so I have no idea if it's actually gonna turn out good. Out in the field it was super windy like always, but as soon as you step into the forest, you instantly feel this calm and fresh vibe. I felt my bike by a tree and walked deeper in. There were so many different flowers blooming in the forest. Their colors were just so pretty. While I was picking pine cones, the needles kept poking me a little. In some places the grass was really tall, in others it was shorter, but you could still see little paths everywhere. My basket slowly started filling up, which made me really happy. But honestly, there weren't that many cones on the trees. Most of them were way too high for me to reach. By the way, do you guys like the smell of pine cones? Every now and then I'd find some red berries. Little surprises like that are always so nice. I was also happy to spot some mushrooms along the way. They were tiny and kinda hard to notice. At one point I saw moss. It was so soft and nice to touch. I literally felt like laying down on it. There was also a lot of fern in the forest. My grandma used to tell me that pools high in place like that. I also came across a big anthill again and some really tall purple flowers. After I finished collecting everything, I headed back home. I still had to make the jam. On the way, I found these beautiful tall daisies and picked a little bouquet. They smelled so soft and fresh. When I got home, I immediately started trimming the little stems of the pine cones. My cat was laying next to me, just chilling and kinda supporting me. I love the company. After prepping all the cones, I wash them, then lit the stove and put a pot on. While the water was heating up, I made myself some mint tea. The pine cone started cooking, the water turned brown and smelled really nice. Then I added sugar. By the way, do you guys like pinecone jam? In the end, I pour the finished jam into jars and seal them. Thanks so much for watching. I'd really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribed to my channel.